Buddy, we have a gas heater here, and just earlier it wasn't working, and I got it to work, and I thought maybe there's some people out there who have problems with their heat not working, and maybe this will help them. So I don't know what kind of heater this is, other than it's a gas heater. Let me get some of that information in here. If you can hear it, it's working and it's on right now. And of course, we have a gas water heater as well. So there's that. Then we got a bunch of stuff in front of it. Now, I wanted to show you. So there's a switch over there, right there. So it wasn't working earlier, and that switch was in the on position, but it wasn't on. So let me show you what I did to fix it. Dude. So let's turn it off. So I turned it off right here. Now, there's also like this it's kind of messy in here. There's also this emergency, if you can read that. Okay, it's a little difficult. It says oil burner on off emergency switch. Right, so turn that off. So I turned it off for maybe about a minute or so, and then I turned it back on, and then I went back here and turn that on, and then you can hear all that noise. Then it came back on. Yeah. So it was pretty simple, and I'm glad that it worked like that. Anyhow, pretty simple, pretty quick, pretty easy. Hopefully, if you have the same issue, the same solution should help you. But if it's more complicated, then I'm sorry. But maybe you can post your video as a comment, and we can all figure it out together. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Thanks. Bye.